Hey guys, Digital Dave here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you a Treatlife. It's a multifunctional pet drinking bottle right here. Looks really cool. I like the package already. Got a great graphic on the back showing you the optional prize, rubbish bag, training toys, that sort of thing. So cool packaging. Again, the link to this is in my video description below. Go ahead, click on it, check it out. It'll take you to Amazon and see if this is the right product for you. You can read reviews, see photos. Read some more in depth on the product details, that sort of thing. So really excited for this product to be reviewing. I have a puppy, so I will go ahead and I'll record the unboxing now, then we'll follow up and actually see how he likes it and how we use it in real life. So again, it's a 400 milliliter, 14-ounce pet water bottle, but it's got a couple of nifty little design features as well that make it more than just that. So now we'll go ahead and open it up. So it's actually bigger than I thought. I don't know what I was thinking. So it really is basically, I'd say, water bottle size. Obviously, you have a cutout right here where your pet can drink from it. And it says it's more than a bottle, more than one bottle right here. And Pet Me on the back, which is kind of cute. So yeah, we'll go ahead and see there's a lock, unlock, check, and a lock again. So if it's locked, nothing. If it's unlocked, I'm assuming, let me see. All right, so if you lock it, there's a little dispenser here you can't push. If you unlock it, you can now activate to be able to pour water out for your pet, which is pretty cool. That's really neat. And now we'll see if we can take this off to even get inside. Okay, so we twist the bottle off right there. You can see kind of the inside and how they make all that work. Looks like there's an O-ring, which is pretty neat, and then 4 screws. Comes with a nice wrist strap for you, which is great, and some instructions, I believe. Let's see. If we can get them out without ripping them. Alright, Pet Me, more than one bottle. So it's showing you step 1, unlock. Step 2, your pet can drink. Just showing you how to use it clean with the hand wash. So pretty straightforward. Now I got to see how do we go ahead and get into this awesome little dispenser. Just a rubber cap right here, and then it looks like you could put, I love the cutout, so you could actually put doggy poop bags if you wanted, puppy poop bags. You could put a little bit, depending on how big your pet's food is, you could put a little bit of food in there, which is cool. Maybe, gosh, I don't know what kind of toy, maybe a really tiny bone. So you can store basically optional dog accessories in this. I think the poop bag would be a pretty cool idea, cram a bunch of those in. Or just some food if you're going to be gone for a while and just want to give your pup a little snack or some treats. You can go ahead and use that. So that's neat that they thought of that. I mean, you do compromise some water space, but at the same time, it's pretty sweet that you can kind of do both with this. Again, initial reaction though, it's bigger than I thought it would be. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I also think it's really stinking cute. It kind of looks like a pet outline from the back, if you can see that little dog, cat ears. So really cool. Again, Pet Me is what it says on the back. Pet Me is what the brand is on here too. Go ahead, check out this in Amazon. I linked to it. Feel free to leave me any questions, comments you may have. Hit that sub button if you haven't. And then stay tuned. We'll go ahead and I'll go and we'll interact with my puppy Doug and see how he likes this. So thank you.
Hey guys, Digital David back again. I got my puppy Doug here. He's not really too thrilled about being on camera right now. And we got the Pet Me drinking water bottle right here that I already unboxed. Now we're going to go ahead and see if he would like to accept some water. Hey doggy, hi puppy. Okay, so again I have it unlocked, and now if I push this button, see the water come pouring in. That's pretty cool. Now we'll see if Doug will take it. Doug, take it. He likes it. He's definitely making a mess, but that's just he's a messy drinker. Good boy. You want some more water? I'm holding the button right now, and more should be coming out for him. Good boy, little buddy. Doug definitely approves. So if that means anything for you, Doug is happy and would gladly drink more water out of this. So again, it holds 14 ounces. I probably used about 7. He spilled some on the floor, clearly you can see. But yeah, really a cool water bottle. Really happy with it, and Doug approves. So if you're looking for something to take on a backpack, that sort of thing, if you hike and walk with your dog a lot, there you go. It's right there for you. So go ahead, click on the link in the video description below, and that'll take you right to Amazon where you can check it out for yourself. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.